What I wish I knew when I started my business. Cash flow isn't just a buzzword, it's what keeps your business alive. Let's break it down fast. Every business brings money in from sales or services, and sends money out for things like salaries, rent, and bills. Think of it as cash in versus cash out. But there's more. Cash flow comes in 3 flavors. Operating cash flow is your day-to-day money movement. Investing cash flow covers big buys like equipment. And financing cash flow tracks loans and funding. Understanding these helps you follow where every dollar goes. So, what's the goal? Positive cash flow means you're earning more than you spend, your business grows, and you're in control. Negative cash flow? That's a warning sign. Unchecked, it could lead to major headaches, or even force you to close up shop. Stay on top of your cash. Manage it smart. And watch your business thrive. Subscribe for more quick tips only on Creative Solution.